submit my course registration form. The deadline is today, ma.
Okay.
Where's your file? It is here, ma.
Correct.
Just that I need... This is a federal institution.
Okay.
We don't do quickly in dodging bad manners. Carry over is part of the curriculum now. But ma, this is my final year.
Let me tell you something. Wait.
God, I beg, send me your assignment.
Will you keep quiet?
I will just change small things.
What?
Make I give you my email. Who is or are the buffoons from Copy and Paste Limited that submitted this nonsense in all 15 assignments? I beg. I just one paper and one photocopy.
Okay.
May not just allow me, please. Excuse me.
What type of plane is this?
No, your own is one page, Abi. They are giving me. Yes, now, sharp. Now only me.
You think so you're wise?
Sis, what happened? Now my turn. Don't worry now. Maybe your own is one page.